Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel CAD Builder. This is Harun Rashid. Today we are going to see about how to draw this diagram in Autocad. You may ask some question like why I am choosing this diagram, because one of my friend asked me this diagram to show on YouTube because she had some difficulties in doing this diagram. So I'm going to show you how to draw this diagram in very easy method. Before that, we should have to understand the diagram. What are all the dimensions are given here? This 125 length and 12 mm of breadth. We should have to draw this 125 and 12 in AutoCAD. First now, DS so 125. This very small like that. So drawing this line 12 mm and here 125 and then again 12, and you can see the again another dimension which is 62 mm. Okay, just draw the 62 mm of line. 62. I am changing the directions of the line using the key F5, and the same process 60 for what? 62. Okay, 62. Join these lines. Again join these two lines. Okay, and then you can see here which is 12 mm of dimensions is drawn here. Just drawn 12 mm. F5, trim command, getting trim. Sorry. And this is also 12 mm of dimensions. So from this the following lines which is belongs to the dimensions are also 12. So from here choosing 12, and at the bottom to top which is 74 mm of dimensions height. Pressing the F5 key, 75. Okay. Here, this is not a 74 line, which is 64. Just a moment, you can see what I am doing. Just draw the line. Okay, wait just a moment. Twenty, and again 20. From here I'm going to draw the diagonal which is called EL and I, and radius 10. Okay, and finally we have drawn this. and paste here. Enough. Okay, and do the same thing here too. Draw the line from 125, but there is not a line 125. The line must be differ, and the same thing you have to going to do here. This line also is called, which is the actual dimensions of here shown here. Just a moment. 40. Okay, but this line is 40. From here the line is 50. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to draw this ellipse, which is line, the same thing, 20, 20, 20, 20. Okay, fine. Simple. Just draw the same thing what you have drawn on the opposite side. Ellipse 10. Just trim using trim command. Trim all those unwanted things. You just have to know. So move this line to here. Just join these two lines, and again you copy this line I keep here, and then this should be 15. So sorry, this is the line which is 12, and move using this tangential line and join these two lines here. Using trim command, trim those extensions. Just a moment. I have done some mistakes. I just move this. I have to pressing this. Okay. Now join these two lines. Using trim command, trim those lines. Yep, I finished it. Now I'm going to measure these lines. It should be 74. Wow, it is approximately 74, but 73.99. I don't know why I getting this 99. Okay, let's leave it. We have drawn in correct method, correct manner, and we have to draw this block, the L block, like L block structure, like you can see here, L block. Just show the midpoint, enter, and 6 to 6. The same content is shown here, which is 42, 6, 6, and just join these two lines. make a line, join these lines too, trim the unwanted lines. We have drawn the block, but what is this the arc is showing here? This X point which is shown here, that radius 10 of arc, but actually this is not an arc. The same thing what we have done here, here, here and here, I'm going to show you, and I'm going to do the same thing here what I have done here. Okay, let's see, but some different things are done here. I don't know, just see here. And 5 F5 20 20 20. Just where is this line? Afterwards I will draw this line, EL and I, midpoint just 10. Okay, fine, just 10. Okay, I need the point of this line, this circle here. So I just trim all the unwanted things here. Okay, but one thing, I have to draw this line here. Simple, just copy and paste. Sorry, just move it using this line. Yes, this line, moving this line. Okay, before that I would like to show you and this, the circle midpoint, it should be come at this side. Move command, move pressing here, and just keep it. Okay, and now we know the line is drawn here, but the line which is here, right, line, and just come up here to find the tangent line. Yes, I find the tangent line. Yes, here. Just trim all the unwanted things here. Okay, yes, we have done the job. And simple thing, I just want to copy and paste here, and using move command just move here. That's all. Simple. And we have to we just missed something here. This and yes, and drawn this time using trim command, trim all these unwanted items. And now we are comes to the final stage, but still we are in the pending of this diagram. So here it's clearly mentioned the two holes, which is the distance from horizontal, which is 85 mm, and the height is 28 mm. So I'm going to show you how to draw this. Just 28, and make a line by this. And then from here there is a midpoint is shown here. So I just want to know 85 divided by 2, which is 42.5. So from here 42.5. Yes, correct. And here to 42.5. Yes. And now going to draw this circle which is 12 mm of diameter, L and I. But now the circle is in radius. If I give 12 means the circle mentioned is as radius, but I need diameter 12. So click here and press D, then 12. Do the same things here. D 12. Oops, sorry, something mistaken. D 12. Okay. And erase the unwanted contents. Again we have two more holes which is 15 mm of diameter, and the height is 15 and the length is also 15. So just draw the diagram. 15 and 15. And now here you can draw the ellipse. 15. We draw this diagram. And one more hole is there. Yes. And this is the one of the important one. Which is at this circle you can clearly see this 15 mm is distance between the midpoint of this circle and this origin line, and here too the midpoint of the circle and here the line, both are 15, but here the 6 mm is at the edge, at the side of this circle. So I'm going to take from the midpoint 6, and here 15. Okay, so I'm going to draw the diagram 15. So 15 divided by 2, which is 7.5, which is 7.5. Now draw the diagram EL and I. 7.5, 15. Sorry, D 15. And we have drawn this circle. And the project is come to the end. We have one more thing to have drawn, which is the pillar. Small pillar is drawn here, the small edge, the slot, also it is called a slot. Okay, and I'm gonna show you just 6 and 15 and 6, 15. Finish. Again it has 12 and 12. Just down here and down to here. Let's trim those unwanted contents. Oh, I have done some mistake. This is should be the distance is between 20. I'm sorry, I'm really very sorry. In line goes midpoint 10 15. That's not, yes, it's 15, and midpoint 10 15, and again this here 12, here to 12, using trim command, trim all those unwanted lines. That's all guys. If you like my video, please subscribe, and if you have any questions in this diagram, please mention in the comment. Thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.